Hey traders, it's Roberto. Today is Monday, the 27th. It is 9 a.m. Eastern New York session, and I just wanted to post a short video on Divergence because we see a good trade set up on pound Canadian dollar and didn't want anyone to miss out on that trade. Okay, so here's the setup. We have wave patterns on stochastics indicator going in the opposite direction of price. And usually divergence setups are quite lagging, so you may see a setup and you may not see it um, develop till much later, sometimes a day later. So here's a 4-hour chart, divergence. I'm waiting for a trend line break, close above that trend line. So let's go back in history and let's see if we can find some setups that are similar. Here's one back in August. So the higher the time frame, the more powerful these divergence setups become. And here's divergence. We had two trend line breaks. We had one here and then one there. And you would have entered a trade at the close break of a trend line, and that was at 335 pips till it reached its target. Now, how do I know that would have been the target? Well, we would use a Fibonacci tool, excuse me. Let me just draw the Fibonacci from this swing low to the swing high. And there it is. There's your target at the extension. Okay. Let's look for some more. Here's divergence going in the opposite direction. Swing points going higher, right? We have wave patterns going in the opposite direction of price. All we need is a trend line break. There's your trend line break. And there is 263 pips. Okay. So the more you practice, the more you do this, the easy it is to find these setups. And it gives you more confidence to take the trade because you have done, you pretty much have done your homework. I think I saw one back here somewhere. 1 second. This is a 4-hour chart. I'm always looking for divergence setups on 4-hour and daily charts. Swing points going higher back in February of 2000, leave trendline break, right? Notice that price retraced before it dropped. That's very common. And in this case, you would take your Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. There's your sell entry right there. And your target would be the extension all the way down here. And this trade, you could have taken the first trade and exited at the bottom at a support right down here. And that would have given you what? 161 pips. And then the retracement, notice that price never broke above this trend line. So there's an evening star on a 4-hour chart. That was another sell signal. And this trade would have given us quite a bit of pips all the way down 313. So there you have it. Okay, so we have a trade set up right now on pound Canadian dollar, and hopefully we can make at least 100 pips on this trade. First target is 174.12, and that's how many pips from where it is right now. Let's see. Sorry, I can't get this crosshair to work. That's only 62 pips. It should go all the way up to 175.20 in the coming days or weeks. All right, there you have it. Have a good trading week, guys.